Beethoven, there will be, sorry, I will continue in English. We will move to the Bagatelles, Opus 126. They will be played by Nikolai Kellett Hansen. These are the last pieces Beethoven has written for the piano solo. And they are small, partly very funny, partly extremely spiritual, and certainly on his way to the late string quartets. When he sent those pieces to Schott Verlag, to the edition Schott, which was later printing his music, he wrote about those pieces. These are probably the best pieces I've ever written for the piano in this miniature form. So enjoy. Nikolai will play out of the 6 bagatelles only 4, the 1, 2, 3, 4.